Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 10 ways to reduce plastic waste in your daily life. Plastic pollution is a global problem that affects wildlife, marine ecosystems, human health, and climate change. According to a study by the World Wildlife Fund, we produce about 300 million tons of plastic every year, and only 9% of it gets recycled. So how can we reduce our plastic footprint and help protect the planet? Here are 10 simple and effective ways that you can start today. 10. Use reusable bags. One of the easiest ways to reduce plastic waste is to use reusable bags instead of single-use plastic bags when you go shopping. Plastic bags are not only bad for the environment, but also for your wallet. According to a report by the Environmental Protection Agency, Americans use more than 100 billion plastic bags every year, which costs retailers about $4 billion. By using reusable bags, you can save money and resources, and prevent plastic bags from ending up in landfills or oceans, where they can harm animals and ecosystems. You can find reusable bags made of cotton, hemp, jute, or other natural materials that are durable and washable. 9. Avoid bottled water. Another way to reduce plastic waste is to avoid bottled water and drink tap water instead. Bottled water is not only expensive, but also wasteful. According to a report by The Guardian, more than 1 million plastic bottles are sold every minute around the world, and less than half of them are recycled. That means that more than 500 billion plastic bottles end up in landfills or oceans every year. Bottled water is also not necessarily better than tap water in terms of quality or safety. In fact, some bottled water brands are just filtered tap water with added minerals or flavors. By drinking tap water, you can save money and reduce plastic waste. 8. Switch to bar soap and shampoo. Another way to reduce plastic waste is to switch to bar soap and shampoo instead of liquid soap and shampoo that come in plastic bottles. Bar soap and shampoo are not only cheaper and more eco-friendly, but also more effective and gentle on your skin and hair. Bar soap and shampoo are made of natural ingredients that do not contain harsh chemicals or preservatives that can dry out or damage your skin and hair. Bar soap and shampoo also last longer than liquid soap and shampoo, which means that you use less product and generate less waste. You can find bar soap and shampoo in various scents and types that suit your preferences and needs. 7. Use beeswax wraps instead of plastic wrap. Another way to reduce plastic waste is to use beeswax wraps instead of plastic wraps to store your food. Plastic wrap is one of the most common sources of plastic waste in the kitchen, as it is used to cover leftovers, sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, etc. However, plastic wrap is not biodegradable or recyclable, which means that it ends up in landfills or oceans where it can leach toxins into the soil or water. Beeswax wraps are a natural and reusable alternative to plastic wraps that can keep your food fresh and safe. Beeswax wraps are made of cotton fabric coated with beeswax, resin, and oil that create a seal when heated by your hands. 6. Use bamboo toothbrushes instead of plastic toothbrushes. Another way to reduce plastic waste is using bamboo instead of plastic toothbrushes. Plastic toothbrushes are one of the most common items found in ocean trash piles, as they are used by billions of people every day and discarded every few months. Plastic toothbrushes are not recyclable or compostable, which means that they end up in landfills or oceans where they can take up to 500 years to decompose. Bamboo toothbrushes are a natural and sustainable alternative to plastic toothbrushes that can clean your teeth just as well. Bamboo toothbrushes are made of bamboo, which is a fast-growing and renewable plant that does not require pesticides or fertilizers. 5. Use menstrual cups instead of tampons or pads. Another way to reduce plastic waste is to use menstrual cups instead of tampons or pads. Tampons and pads are one of the most common sources of plastic waste in the bathroom, as they are used by millions of women every month and thrown away after each use. Tampons and pads are not only bad for the environment, but also for your health. Tampons and pads contain plastic, chemicals, bleaches, and fragrances that can irritate your skin, cause infections, or disrupt your hormonal balance. Menstrual cups are a safe and eco-friendly alternative to tampons or pads that can collect your menstrual blood without leaking or causing discomfort. 4. Use reusable coffee cups instead of disposable coffee cups. Another way to reduce plastic waste is to use reusable coffee cups instead of disposable coffee cups when you buy your coffee from a cafe or a vending machine. Disposable coffee cups are one of the most common items found in street trash bins, as they are used by millions of people every day and thrown away after each use. Disposable coffee cups are not recyclable or compostable, as they are lined with plastic or wax that prevents them from breaking down. Disposable coffee cups are also not good for your health, as they can leach chemicals or microplastics into your drink. Reusable coffee cups are a stylish and eco-friendly alternative to disposable coffee cups that can keep your coffee hot or cold without spilling or burning your hands. 3. Use cloth diapers instead of disposable diapers. Another way to reduce plastic waste is to use cloth diapers instead of disposable diapers for your baby. Disposable diapers are one of the most common sources of plastic waste in the world, as they are used by billions of babies every year and thrown away after each use. Disposable diapers are not only bad for the environment, but also for your baby's health. Disposable diapers contain plastic, chemicals, bleaches, and fragrances that can cause rashes, allergies, or infections on your baby's skin. Cloth diapers are a soft and eco-friendly alternative to disposable diapers that can keep your baby dry and comfortable. Cloth diapers are made of cotton, hemp, bamboo, or other natural fabrics that are washable and reusable. 2. Use reusable straws instead of plastic straws. Another way to reduce plastic waste is to use reusable straws instead of plastic straws when you drink your smoothies, juices, sodas, or cocktails. Plastic straws are one of the most common items found in ocean trash piles, as they are used by billions of people every day and thrown away after each use. Plastic straws are not recyclable or biodegradable, which means that they end up in landfills or oceans where they can harm marine animals and ecosystems. Reusable straws are a fun and eco-friendly alternative to plastic straws that can make your drink more enjoyable without breaking the environment. Reusable straws are made of stainless steel, silicone, glass, or bamboo that are durable and easy to clean. Reusable straws are also cheaper and more fun than plastic straws, as they come in various sizes, shapes, and colors that suit your drink and mood. 1. Use compostable cutlery instead of plastic cutlery. The number one way to reduce plastic waste is to use compostable cutlery instead of plastic cutlery when you eat your takeout, picnic, or party food. Plastic cutlery is one of the most common items found in street trash bins, as they are used by millions of people every day and thrown away after each use. Plastic cutlery is not recyclable or biodegradable, which means that they end up in landfills or oceans where it can take up to 1,000 years to decompose. Compostable cutlery is a natural and eco-friendly alternative to plastic cutlery that can serve your food without harming the environment. So these are the top 10 ways to reduce plastic waste in your daily life. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. We post new videos every week on various topics related to sustainability and green living. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.